We'll see you in Vienna. Restaurant line. And that's we just arrived in Vienna and we are going to our hotel. We're here for one night. We have a lot of things planned, like breakfast, vintage shopping, going to some museums, some cafes, restaurants, and now we're gonna go to a hotel. So I'll show you how it is. We have the Vienna city card, so we get the 48-hour pass. We got that in advance. So we'll be traveling around the whole city with the transit. We've arrived at our hotel. Megda's Loco. The hotel is pretty cute, little boutique hotel. It's a nice cafe. Lobby. We just checked in. We haven't checked into our hotel yet. We gotta wait till check-in, but we're just having a little coffee and croissant. Just checked into Magda's hotel. It's a sustainable hotel with a focus on upcycling. Really cute. So we're going from here to the restaurant Mein Kleinhof.
Okay.
So we just got off the U-Bahn in Kettenbrücke Gasse, off the way to the Hofladen. I'm sehr entspannt. Ich bin entspannt. Is that right? No.
That's right.
Okay. We arrived at the Weinkling Hofladen and let's go have a nice lunch. We have beautiful Knödel and freshly made grape juice, Fenchelsuppe, Salat, Brot. When in Wien, Apfelstrudel. Dankeschön. We have Apfelkuchen, which is a must in Austria. And in Vienna, cappuccinos, delicious, what are these called? Topfenbällchen, Backbällchen, pastinada, which is, I think, not Viennese. Portuguese, but we'll take it. But yeah, it looks really delicious. We are on our way with Sebastian from Rebel Tours to check out the 7th district, see some little Geheimtipps and other stuff. What's with the 7th district?
So, the 7th district, in my opinion, is the coolest of them all. Why is that? Because it's young, it's alternative, it's artsy, there's a lot of culture, it's very open-minded, little coffee houses, cool restaurants, everything you would wish to have in a district. 7th offers that.
We're not doing a normal tour of Vienna. We are skipping the beautiful touristy stuff, which I think everyone has seen. Not everyone, but definitely should go see it if you haven't. And we're going to the 7th district. And Sebastian's going to tell you why. Going through some secret passages to get to the 7th district. And now we're in the 7th district.
And guys, there is this thing with the passages, okay? The passages, there are an interesting topic, and they are something that you can and you should use the passages as often as possible, okay? And there is this thing that a lot of people, they might think, am I allowed to enter there? Is it good or not?
How do you know,
how do you know? How would you know? I will later on show you a little sign, or little signs in general, that you can find at the entrance of such a passage, and which tell you then, okay, it's fine or it's not. And we'll get back to that later, okay? Guys, just have a look at these balconies. They are kind of special. Also have a special name. They are called pavlaches, okay? So pavlach is a Czech word for open house entrance, and this would be just a perfect example for it. And the thing here at the Spittelberg was that it was always very, very packed. So a lot of people living on not a lot of space actually, and that's why they had to come up with some solutions to create space where there was none. Okay, so what did they do? They took these balconies, they put it directly on the facade from the outside, and the people would enter their apartments from the outside. Why? Because this way you would not need the hallway on the inside, and this really just created space where there was none, which was very clever. And they could put even more people inside of the houses, and that was the solution. So it's very beautiful, very charming, and kind of historic also.
we're going into Vienna, a really cool cafe. 4 o'clock and I'm having a matcha latte at Neubaugasse at Vienna, which is a garden, plant and coffee shop and bookstore. So all millennial needs are met right here. We just had a little rest at the hotel, Magda's hotel. Now we're back in this beautiful neighborhood to go to dinner at a restaurant called Tier. It's a beautiful autumn night and yeah, excited. We have such a cute little restaurant here. And sitting here, a delicious first course at Tian. We're doing a chef sharing platter and it's all vegetarian food. We have here some muhammara. I'm not sure if I said that right, but it's vegetarian. And let's give it a little tasty. You're right, it is good. Our last course is this beautiful Buchweise gnocchi and this leek, which looks so ornate and beautiful. The dinner was super delicious, but now it's time to go home. So we are heading back to the hotel. It was a busy day and now we're gonna go to sleep, but we'll see you tomorrow for brunch. Good night. Good morning. We have checked out of our hotel and now we're on the way to Volpension, which is a brunch restaurant where senior citizens will serve you breakfast. So it's gonna be super cute.
Really, is it?
You can have
Nice. I didn't really.
Senior citizens are gonna serve us breakfast and it helps the senior community and stuff. So I think it's gonna be super cute. It's so cute in here and so much attention to detail. It's so beautifully done. We have pastries, Ostrich, cheese, Käse, Brötchen, oranges at Prosecco, melange. Hi. We have this beautiful three-tiered tray with cakes, Ostrich, ham, cheese, Gemüse. I think this looks super lekker. We are at the Heidi Horton collection where there's some really cool modern art. This house-made iced tea. It's delicious. Oyster mushroom schnitzel. Kartoffel salad without mayonnaise. Our last stop, which is Bergasse Vintage Shop. I love vintage shopping in new cities. My favorite has been in Copenhagen, but let's check it out. Maybe I'll find something new. So it's about 6 p.m. and we are done with our 2-day very busy Vienna trip. We're gonna go back to Hoppenhof, get the night train back to Hamburg. It's gonna take 13 hours. If you didn't already watch the night train video on my other YouTube, you should watch that because I'm not gonna make another one for the way back. But if you like this video, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe. Also, Jana, that blog Comfort Zone. She's also posting lots of travel content too. And we'll see you at the next video. Bye! Bye!